Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how you can add a vanilla gift card to PayPal. So make sure to watch the video till the very end. And let's begin. To add a vanilla gift card to your PayPal account, you need to first log into your PayPal account using your credentials. In the wallet section, select link a card or bank to add your vanilla gift card to your PayPal account. Then verify your card if PayPal requires you to do so. To transfer your vanilla gift card balance to your PayPal account, select Add money to your account in your wallet. Now choose your linked gift card and enter the amount you want to transfer. So that's basically how you can add a vanilla gift card to PayPal. So that's all for this video. Hope you liked the video. Thanks.